Hi everybody, Cali Rose here. In all my ukulele classes, we are learning the song Everyday People, and I have factored in a solo, and we are going to be talking about ways of improvising a solo on this song. We're in the key of C. There are only two chords. We've got a C, and I'm throwing in an F. I've made this arrangement a little easier, a little more accessible for the most amount of players. We're going at a rock beat, 115 beats per minute. I will comp for you during the 8-bar solo, and what I'll do is I'll count out each measure as we're going along so we know where we're at. And the solo is one chord. It is C. Starting note is E that we sing on. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes I'm right and I can be wrong. My own beliefs are in my song. The butcher, the banker, the drummer, and then makes no difference what a group I'm in. I am everyday people. There is a blue one who can't accept the green one, for living with a fat one, trying to be a skinny one. Different strokes for different folks, and so on and so on, and Scooby-Dooby-Dooby. Oh, sha-sha, we got to live together. I am no better, and neither are you. We are the same, whatever we do. You love me, you hate me, you know me, and then you can't figure out the bag I'm in. I am everyday people. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a long hair that doesn't like the short hair, for being such a rich one that will not help the poor one. Different strokes for different folks, and so on and so on, and Scooby-Dooby-Dooby. Oh, sha-sha, we got to live together. There is a yellow one that won't accept the black one, that won't accept the red one, that won't accept the white one. Different strokes for different folks, and so on and so on, and Scooby-Dooby-Dooby. Oh, sha-sha, I am everyday people. Just a little tip here. We're in the key of C, and the two chords are C and F. You might want to try this when we're going to the F chord. And by the way, you want to make your C with your baby finger. Try it and hold it as you're making that F chord, because that is an F chord as well with a slightly different voicing. And so now when we go back to the C chord, just have to release the F. So let's just try that. One measure of C and one measure of F. So 2, 3, 4, C, F. You can use this trick in a lot of different songs. This is a way to work with it, back and forth. Slow down. Play it soft. Play it a little faster, a little louder. Get a new trick under your fingers. Thanks for watching, you guys.